Look what's coming. Oh my.
Adventures with Arjun.
Namaste everyone, that's Arjun and Rajni. Welcome to our channel. So today we're visiting Floral Show House in Niagara Falls, Ontario. Look at the natural beauty and the sounds. So what's the hint today? Among the orange fishes on the rocks in the water, there sits something that starts with a T. What is it? Look, that's water lilies.
No, look what is this?
Look at that.
Mommy, there's fish in here.
Is it?
Yeah, I saw one.
Very nice. Fishes and turtle.
Mommy, there's another turtle on the wall.
Ooh, on the rock, yeah. Look at that. Okay.
Mommy, look.
Okay, let's go. What else we can see here?
Oh my god.
Whew, very nice. Wanna go this way? Arjun, you go first.
I think I know which funnel place. I think I know which funnel place.
I love flowers. The beat around in this flower garden is just amazing. Arjun, this way. So nice. So there's miniature houses here. That's kind of interesting. So it's $7 to get in to the outside. Look at that.
I'm gonna go close.
Very interesting.
The best team. Mommy, let's go.
So the lady said there's a train here somewhere.
Today? Is it a big train?
Hmm?
Is it a big train? Can you ride it? Or
I
no?
don't think you can ride it, but maybe you can sit on it.
Mommy, look at that house.
Ah, let's see.
Wow.
That's interesting.
I got the water.
Yeah, they even have a little water thing. Very nice. Look at this, huh?
Whoa, look. Look at the plant. Mommy. Oh, look at the plant. Oh, this is a tree. Look at the window. Mommy, did you see this house? Look. Houses in water. Look.
Ooh,
Look.
look at that.
We found the train tracks. Can't ride on it.
Look what's coming. Oh my.
What's wrong with it? What's wrong with it?
Very interesting.
What's so different? Wow, the house. I don't want to
goodness, this is gorgeous, actually. I think it was worth the $7. Quite interesting. It's a bye-bye train. Well, I know, but it'll come back. It'll come back. This was an interesting and fun experience cut too short. Kids will definitely love this place. Next time, I think I will bring a picnic here and spend at least half a day. I mean, there's so much more to do here than just flowers to see. Yeah? Ha! Oh. There's a drop off there. You fall down. That's it. Look at that. The wind might blow you over. Ah! That is true. How amazing is this? Just love this walk. How was your day today? Pretty fun? No. Because you don't wanna. You wanna stay there a long time. You wanna stay there a long time. Look at that. Massive. It's so peaceful and serene here, you wouldn't believe it. Such a spiritual place. Where's the rainbow? Don't know if you can see it, but there's actually a rainbow right there. See? Right over here. And this rainbow comes around 4 or 5 p.m. every day. Well, as long as it's not cloudy. Is that your first rainbow, Arjun? Did you see it? The very first rainbow? See it? Right there. Thanks for watching. All the places shown here are Arjun and my favorite places to visit. Links to them are in the description below. Like and subscribe if you want to come on more adventures with Arjun. And don't forget to share if you want to bring friends.
Bye-bye.